Hi kids, welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Ede, today we're going to discuss about entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. In this lesson, you will be able to differentiate the word entrepreneur from entrepreneurship. You will explain the meaning and importance of entrepreneurship, and you will be able to describe the principles of entrepreneurship. Are you ready? Lay's interest in business started when she was a grade 4 pupil. She helped her mother in preparing their cupcake products and selling them at a stall in the supermarket every day. When she graduated from senior high school, she learned to devise her own strategies in selling and to improve the ingredients of the cupcakes her mother taught her. In college, she managed to have her own coffee shop, which offers several kinds of desserts. Can we consider Lei as an entrepreneur? Can selling cupcakes and other desserts be called entrepreneurship? What do you mean by entrepreneurship? How about entrepreneur? Entrepreneurship. It is a way of exchanging products or services. It can also be described as the task of managing a business to improve the life of an individual. It coincides with different business activities, which can be in the form of purchasing or serving tangible or intangible products. Entrepreneur is a person who plans, organizes, manages, supervises, and performs the functions of an owner who is directly related to the risks and uncertainties of a business or an enterprise for the purpose of having an income or profit. He or she acts as a visionary, an innovator, and a change agent. We can simply say that entrepreneur is the actor, while entrepreneurship is the act. The word entrepreneur is somewhat related to the word manager. However, these two words can differ in many areas. How do we distinguish the difference between an entrepreneur and a manager? These are some of the differences between entrepreneur and manager. Entrepreneur has a profit, while a manager has a salary. Entrepreneur is an owner, while manager is an employee. Entrepreneur is an innovator, while manager is an implementer or executioner. Entrepreneur has a flexible income, while manager has a fixed income. And entrepreneur starts and runs a business, while a manager renders a service. Anyone can sell products anytime, provided that he or she has all the necessary resources in order to achieve his or her immediate goals. However, not everyone can succeed in this field without having the basic knowledge on how to handle a business. Becoming an entrepreneur means overseeing the possible problems that may arise in the business. These are the principles of entrepreneurship. Let's discuss them one by one. If there's a will, there's a way. It means a person who has the will and determination to reach his goals. You need to consider the place or location where you want your business to be established. It means you need to choose a location that is convenient for customers to go to, and it must be strategically planned. Interest or passion in the business is not enough to keep the business going. It means you still need to have the knowledge and skills in running the business. Your financial status must be stable enough to grow and sustain your business. You should have enough money or capital to keep the business going. The success of a business depends on its people and its workforce. Having the right person to make the business more productive and competitive. High risk, high return policy. It means the higher the risk that you take, the higher the chances are of getting as many benefits as possible. But if you will settle for anything less, expect the same level of investment returns. Entrepreneurship brings many benefits to one's country. It makes the economy grow progressively since it provides employment for the people. It also increases the supply of the products or services, which helps sustain the demands of the consumers. What is the role of an entrepreneur in ICT? What do you mean by ICT? ICT means Information and Communication Technology. ICT revolves around the study of computers, telecommunications, internet, media, and productivity tools or different software that can aid the users to perform specific tasks. ICT plays a big role in the business industry because of its features, which can make the process of production and dissemination of information fast, reliable, efficient, and updated. Entrepreneurs also contribute to the development and improvement of the world of ICT, since its main objective is to publish and disseminate information to the public. Say yes if the statement is correct, and say no if it is incorrect. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Entrepreneurship helps increase the production of services and goods, which can improve the economy. And this is yes. Your interest in business is one of the essential factors that you need to consider in creating or starting a business. The answer is yes. The job of an entrepreneur is exactly the same to the job of a manager. And the answer is no. Entrepreneurs contribute to the development and improvement of the world of ICT. And this is yes. The success of the business depends on its people or workforce? And the answer is yes. You should make sure that you have enough money or capital to keep the business going. And that is yes. ICT is important in education but not in the business. And this is no. The concept of trading started to develop before the colonization era began. And the answer is yes. Interest and passion in the business is enough to keep the business going. And this is no. The high-risk, high-return policy means that the higher the risk an enterprise takes, the higher its chances are of getting as many benefits as possible. And the answer is yes. Distinguish the difference between an entrepreneur and a manager. Place them in their respective column. Let's check your answers. An owner is entrepreneur. An innovator is an entrepreneur. Has a salary is manager. Has a fixed income is manager. Starts and run a business, entrepreneur. An implementer is manager. Renders a service is manager. Has a flexible income is entrepreneur. Has a profit is entrepreneur. An employee is manager.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.